Hey gang, I have a broken nail, so I thought I would film how I fix it. Full disclosure, I'm not completely sober. I mean, I'm not wasted, but I'm a little bit tipsy. So such is lockdown life. I'm going to file the gel polish off. I do have a thin coat of builder gel underneath. So I thought I'd file the polish off and see what it's like underneath, and then start fixing it from there. Hope you're all having a nice Saturday evening. Is it Saturday? Yes. No. Yes. It's Saturday. I literally have no idea what day it is at the moment during lockdown. Maybe because I'm drinking all the time. So I'm just filing this off instead of soaking it off. I just thought it'd be quicker, and I wouldn't have to scrape, so I wasn't going to risk catching the break. So obviously I'm going to try and fix it. Nothing is going to fix a broken nail. Nothing's going to fuse it back together. It's broken. That's it. But we can try and sort of hold it together for as long as possible. So I've taken the polish off. There's a bit of builder on there still, but I'm just leaving that be. I'm now just doing my cuticle. They're not too bad because I've only recently, I don't know how long I've had this on for now. Maybe a week? No, not that long. I don't know. So I'm just doing a bit of cuticle work and then scuffing them all up again when I buff now. So just taking off any of these scuffed bits. I'm kind of attacking them a bit. Or this finger, for some reason, in this video looks... Oh, fuck off. Mute. My fingers look really gnarly, and like all the skin around it, like the one I'm working on especially, look chewed to fuck. It's not. I don't know why it looks that way. So I've just filed the free edge, and the nails had a buff, and I'm just wiping it with some IPA. So that's the break there. And I'm now taking this, it's clear acrylic powder. It's nothing, it's not branded, it's cheap from eBay. This is not necessarily how you should fix a broken nail, but this is how I fix a broken nail. And it works for me. So I've used some nail glue, popped some on the break and dipped it in the powder, and then I'm going to wait a minute or so for it to dry, dust it off, and then I'm going to repeat it because it was quite far along the break. It was sort of nearing on halfway across the nail. I should just cut it off. I probably will end up cutting them off, but we'll just see how this goes. So that I let dry as well, and now giving it a buff. I got too close to the nail glue with my face when I was putting it on there, and nearly burnt my damn retinas out. So don't put it near your face. It's powerful stuff. And then I noticed there was a little split forming on the other side, so I just did that there. And then I only did one coat of it here, and I didn't buff because I was watching something on telly and not paying attention, so I forgot to buff, and it does cause a bit of an ish when I come to polishing, but never mind. So I've wiped with IPA, and I'm now using the First Base Gel Perfection, which is a 2-in-1 base coat, so it's got primer in it as well, so you don't need to prime. That will go in the lamp for a minute, and then I'm going to use the blush builder in a bottle, although I take it out the bottle and use my gel brush, just because I'm used to using a gel brush from a pot, so that's how I do it. Just making sure that, see, look how fucking gnarly my nail looks on the left, or my skin. It doesn't look like that in real life. Anyway, so just doing a sort of medium coat. I'm not doing a full overlay, like I'm not building an apex or anything, because I haven't done on the others. I think there may be a length now where I probably will, when I change colour, do an overlay, so build an apex and some structure. But when they're short, I only like to do sort of like 1 or 2 thin layers of builder gel, because I hate bulbous nails. I have a massive pet peeve for fat looking nails. Like, they shouldn't be thick, they shouldn't be bulbous, they shouldn't look fat, they should look as natural as possible. So I don't do a proper overlay on a short nail, but these are at a length now, I think, where I probably could start to do one when I next do change the colour. So that was cured, and now I'm buffing it out to smooth it, making sure the cuticle area and sidewalls is a seamless sort of blend from natural nail to the product. No no obvious ridge where product starts. Just overcut my cuticle, but again, I've had a drink. It's lockdown. It's fair to say that there's a 90% chance I've had a drink most days. So this is Butterscotch. I had sparkly black nails before with that crazy accent thumb. So now I went for nude, which I'm quite enjoying. It's not, I don't really ever wear nude. I'm normally short, square and dark nails. So a bit of length and a rounded shape and a nude colour is a bit, doesn't feel right for me, but I'm quite enjoying it. So you see there on the right, that bit there, right there, there's like a bump. That's where I forgot to file the bit that we fixed with the acrylic. This bit that I'm trying to rectify and then realising, no, it's not happening. So that's having a cure. Both coats had a 1 minute cure, and now I'm top coating. This is where I got the giggles at something which I was watching on telly. Anyway, so that was the first part of season 2, episode 1 of Parks and Rec. It just gets me every time. It's something Ron says to Leslie. Anyway, watch it. It's hilarious. So that's it. That's had a cure. My nails are, like I say, looking really horrible for some reason. But there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. Subscribe. You'll see lots more videos and you won't miss any. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.